More than half of the human race is under 30 years old. They have never known life without the internet. Guess how they feel about social media. Last year, 1 in 6 marriages were between people who met through social media. 1/3 of women 18 to 34 check Facebook when they first wake up, even before going to the bathroom. 95% of millennials have joined a social network. And those are your consumers, co-workers, CEOs, decision makers. 81% of B2B companies have accounts on social media sites. 93% of all business buyers are social media advocates. Radio took 38 years to reach 50 million users. Television took 13 years to reach 50 million users. The internet took 4 years to reach 50 million users. 850 million monthly active Facebook users. 1+ million websites have integrated with Facebook in various ways. 77% of B2C companies and 43% of B2B companies acquired customers from Facebook. Facebook added 100 million users in less than 9 months. If Facebook were a country, it would be the 3rd most populated in the world. More than 25 million pieces of content are shared each month in social media websites. Minutes spent on Facebook per month. It is 500 billion. LinkedIn receives almost 12 million unique visitors per day. Executives from all Fortune 500 companies are on LinkedIn. There are more than 600 million search on Twitter every day. Top 3 countries in terms of the number of Twitter accounts. 34% of marketers have generated leads using Twitter. 77% of Fortune Global 100 companies have a Twitter account. Pinterest hit 10 million US monthly unique visitors faster than any independent sites in history. 2,702.2% increase in total unique visitors since May 2011. 69% of online consumers who visit Pinterest have found an item they've bought or wanted to buy. 25% of Fortune Global 100 companies have Pinterest accounts. Google Plus has 500 million plus registered users. 48% of Fortune Global 100 companies are now on Google Plus. 40% of marketers use Google Plus. 70% users want to learn more about Google Plus. 67% users plan on increasing Google Plus activities. 24 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute. There are 2 billion videos viewed each day on YouTube. YouTube uses the same bandwidth now that the entire internet used in year 2000. You would need to live 1,000 years to watch all the videos currently on YouTube. Traditional media depends on intercepting the consumers, cutting through clutter, getting attention. It is no longer about shouting the loudest. Only 14% of consumers trust advertising. 78% trust peer recommendation. Today, people get their information online. Social media is the new way of thinking and marketing. It is all about building a dialogue with your customers, co-workers, potential hires. Still don't think social media will affect your business? It already has.